I hope you guys are using potions, by the way. You should.
You actually have managed to get full too. Got fronts win 3 seconds. Spears in 5. Get nice and tight. Break him out, you get front and straight after. Front's coming in 3 seconds. 2, 1, front one. We push the boss here, we do the soak.
First soak. That is confusing with the other game. I changed the marker on the floor. Fine.
Spears in 5. Spears in 2, 1, freaking close. Into heal absorb and soak, so you know what to do. If you have a heal absorb, you move out. If you don't, you come and soak.
Move further out, please, with you.
Heal absorb's coming in 3, 2, 1. Everyone else come soak. Enemy dodge. Spears in 5, spears in 5, move back in, really nice and close. Spears in 3, 2, 1. Same again, heal absorbs move out. Heal absorb, come and soak.
Is that trying to bob yourself? No.
Heal absorbs in 3, 2, 1, move out, you get out. Everyone else come soak. Net dodge here, do not take them. Got spears in 10 seconds with 5. Spears in 5. 3, 2, 1, bring them close. And you just break these out and you get the frontal here. You set up so anything you need to. Spears in 3, 2, 1. Break these out. You get fronts in 5 seconds.
Watch your step.
Early there, and we get knocked back here and just into the zone.
Orange Hunter Neref trans. If you have fear and you get broken, you don't go into the soak, you just stay out.
Spears in 5. Three, 2, 1, bring them close.
Spear.
Everyone else come in for a soak after the spears. If you've had a spear, you don't come in, okay?
Special coming.
Spears in 5 seconds. Bring them in. We do the same again, okay? If you've had a spear and you're out and you can come soak, you come soak. So coming out.
Special coming.
Defensive.
Spears.
On.
Chris, check on. After this.
Front
Wicked
hold.
pushes. Did I raise?
No.
8.
Breaking up with. Is anything to survive?
Front hold.
We'll do the mark.
The
Anti-magic
warlocks
zone
here
in
in
8.
circle.
Anti-magic zone in 8. Intermission.
If you haven't used your second potion, use it now. We are going to go back to the heal absorb. Tanks, you are gonna get it. So careful how fast you heal not to. Yeah, I get it.
Use up.
Ink.
Spears, do spears to make line. Heat absorbs coming. Blast
On.
Sacrifice the heals, don't swap them. Take them out and just have them. Keep the heals, so 5 for healers. Just blast the boss. Healers DPS into the boss. Just fucking go.
Guys. I can't believe I
What a
twice
banger.
split.
Thanks for the call.
Good
Nice.
stuff.